In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone an admin in Slack. This is a super helpful feature that can help you delegate roles and responsibilities within your Slack workspace, making teamwork more efficient and organized. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Slack account. Make sure you're using the desktop app or a web browser for the best experience, as some features might not be fully accessible through the mobile app. Once you've logged in, you'll want to ensure you have the correct permissions to make administrative changes, as typically this action is reserved for current admins or workspace owners. Once logged in, navigate to the top left corner of your Slack interface where you'll see your workspace name. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, we're interested in finding and clicking on the option that says Settings and Administration. This is your gateway to adjusting various setting options, including changing roles. After you've clicked on Settings and Administration, a new set of options will appear. Look for Manage Members and click on that. This section is where you can view a list of all the current participants within your workspace. You might need to scroll or use a search bar to locate the individual you want to promote to admin status. Once you've found the team member you want to upgrade, click on their current role next to their name. A list of role options will appear. Here, select Admin. It's important to note that as soon as you make this change, the individual will gain advanced access rights to manage and oversee different workspace activities. So, ensure that the person you are appointing is ready and understands the responsibilities that come with being an admin. After selecting the admin role, the change will typically take effect immediately. However, it's always a good idea to have a quick confirmation chat with the new admin, letting them know about their promotion and suggesting they refresh their Slack app to see the change in permissions. Before we wrap up, let me give you a quick tip. Regularly review the list of admins to ensure all roles are still appropriate for your team's current needs. This practice helps maintain security and efficiency within your workspace. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly make someone an admin in Slack, helping your team thrive and operate more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, make your productivity count.